Hi, everybody. Good morning. So I'm going to talk a little bit about our writing assignment today. Our writing assignment today is we're going to look at a picture, we're going to say what they're doing, and we're going to write the sentence from a model. So I am going to go over the picture with you and the sentence, and then parents, I will show you what you could do with them. So this picture, boys and girls, what do you see? I see a boy, I see two boys and a girl, and look at this thing, they're jumping on something. They're jumping on a trampoline. So this sentence says, the kids are jumping. So this sentence describes this picture. The kids are jumping. So now I want you to write the sentence from a model. So this will work on our goal, our IEP goal for writing, and it will also help us to keep up with our penmanship. So parents, now this part's for you. So I provided the picture and the sentence. What you should have is a notebook for your child to write all their assignments in. Hopefully you've been doing that. So you could use a notebook. And if you don't have a notebook, you can use a piece of paper. So what I have done here is provided a sentence, the same sentence that's on the board. The kids are jumping. So they're going to look at this picture and they're going to copy your sentence from a model. So they're going to write the word the right here. They're going to write the word kids down here. So this helps them with a visual. So I want you to show them the picture as they're writing. And if you're going to use a notebook, give me 1 second, sorry. You're going to take the notebook and you're going to write give me 1 second so I could write this out. So I should have this done. So you're going to write the kids are jumping. So they'll know to write that word. And please, if you're using a notebook, use 2 lines so they could start writing. And if you noticed that they're writing tiny, then what you could do I hope you can see it. See right here? It's only 1 line. You put 2 lines on top, and then you're going to write the word on top. So it would look like this. So this is one way with 2 lines, and then this is another way. So depending on if they have been doing a lot of writing or completing their assignments, first start off with the 2 lines. And then if their writing is small, I will let you know when to go and do the 1 line. But again, you could use your judgment. So I hope that helped.